Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are installing Java 20 JDK on Windows 11. So let's get started. So for installing Java on your system, you need to download JDK 20 from the Oracle site. For that you have to go to Google and search for JDK 20 download. After that you have to click on this link Java SA20 archive downloads, and then you have to download the Windows x64 MSI installer. So it's downloading now, we will wait. As you can see, download is completed. Now we will install the Java JDK 20 on our Windows. So it's preparing the installation. You click next. It will ask you for the path. Just set it to default. Click next. It will now install the Java, and Java is installed. Now to work on Java on your PC, you have to set some environmental variables for your system. So go to Windows and search for environment variables. Then go to edit the system environmental variables. Click on this. Then you have to make new path for Java home. The path will be C/, or better is you go to C drive, program files, Java JDK, and copy this path by right clicking, or you can just do this copy as path and then paste here. After pasting, remove these semicolons, and that's it. It's your path for Java home. And again you have to edit the system variables path. In that you have to put same path, but here we will put binary folder, which is /bin, and it's done. Okay, now system environment variables are done. You click OK. Then we will check if Java is installed or not on our PC. So for that we will open cmd, type java -version, and as you can see, Java 20 JDK is installed on our PC. Now Java is installed on our PC. We will try and execute a simple hello world program to see if it's really working. So for that I have one Java program already here, like this: class hello public static void main blah blah blah. Now we will execute this. We go to cmd. We will switch the directory to desktop, and for compilation we have command java c, file name hello.java, and it's successfully compiled now. And for running the compiled class file, we put java and the file name. As you can see, it's showing hello world, which we have in program, and it means Java is successfully installed in this computer, and you can now run your programs on the system. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Bye bye.